Welcome to Frontage class. Today we are discussing interrogative of sense of compulsion. Interrogative of use has to, have to and had to. So let's start. Do you have to meet him today? क्या तुम्हें आज उससे मिलना है? Yes, it is urgent. I have to meet. Do girls have to deposit their fee today only? क्या लड़कियों को आज ही फीस जमा करना है? No, they don't have to deposit today only. They have 15 days time. Do you both have to go together? Yes, we both have to go together. Does Radhika have to return money to anyone? Yes, Radhika has to return money to her friend Seema. She had borrowed money from her 2 months ago. Does she have to say anything? क्या उसे कुछ कहना है? I don't know whether she has to say anything or not. Does Reema have to appear in exam? Yes, Reema has to appear in the exam. That is why she is studying hard. Does Ravi have to pay rent for this month also? Yes, he has to pay rent for this month also because as per the agreement, he did not inform earlier. Why does she have to meet? Who does she have to meet? उसे किससे मिलना है? She has to meet Mr. Raman, the landlord of this house. Who do you have to receive from the station? तुम्हें स्टेशन से किनको रिसीव करना है? किसे रिसीव करना? I have to receive my grandfather from the station. Where do we have to go for picnic? हमें पिकनिक कहाँ जाना है? We have not decided yet. We are planning to go to any beautiful place. Where do you have to get down? आपको कहाँ उतरना है? Well, I have to get down at Central Avenue. Where do you have to send this packet? आपको ये पैकेट कहाँ भेजना है? Look here carefully. I have written the address neatly in bold letters. What does she have to do here? She is a journalist and she is here to collect some information. What do they have to buy? They have to buy essential things like groceries, fruits, vegetables and medicines. Why does your sister have to buy a scooty? Actually, her office is far from here and she often gets late. So she has decided to buy a scooty. Why does Ravi have to give money to Manoj? Ravi borrowed money from a couple of months ago. He has to return that money. Why does Ravi have to give money to Manoj? Ravi को मनोज को पैसे क्यों देने हैं? इसका मतलब ये हुआ. Why do you have to fix cameras around your home? तुम्हें अपने घर के चारों तरफ कैमरे क्यों लगवाने हैं? Actually, crime is increasing in this area and in the last few months, robbery, house break incidents have increased. So I want to fix cameras. When do you have to leave for Mumbai? मुंबई के लिए कब निकलना है? I have to leave tomorrow morning. When do you have to go to court to give testimony? I have to go the day after tomorrow to give testimony. How do we have to play this? हमें इसे कैसे बजाना है या कैसे खेलना है? यहाँ पर इसका मतलब खेलना है. Look, rules are given here. Read the rules properly and follow it. Did you have to meet anyone? क्या तुम्हें किसी से मिलना था? Did है अब आ गया. Had to का negative. Yes, I had to meet one of my clients. Had to ka interrogative, sorry. And it was very important and due to this function I had to cancel the meeting. I'm repeating the answer. Did you have to meet anyone? क्या तुम्हें किसी से मिलना था? Yes, I had to meet one of my clients and it was very important and due to this function I had to cancel the meeting. Did she have to return today only? क्या उसने आज ही लौटना था? No, she had to return last Saturday only, but she fell ill, so she changed her schedule. Did Ravi start any business? Yes, Ravi had started a business, but business did not run well. What did you have to tell Ravi? Ravi को तुम्हें क्या बोलना था? Actually, I had to discuss something very important. What did you have to get from the market? आपको मार्केट से क्या लाना था या क्या मंगवाना था? Actually, I had to get a few grocery things from the market. Where did you have to go that day? Where did you have to go that day? उस दिन आपको कहाँ जाना था? That day I had to go to one village, but due to rain, I had to drop that. Why did you have to get into his problem? तुम्हें उसके problem में क्यों घुसना था? I had to get into his problem because my brother was involved in it. When did you have to organize the party? Party तुम्हें कब करनी थी? I had to organize the party last week only. So that's all for today. ये questions हैं, answers बता दिए. इसी आधार पे आप अपने आंसर्स भी बना सकते हैं मेरे क्वेश्चंस के, फिर अपने क्वेश्चंस तैयार करके अपने आंसर्स बना सकते हैं. और इसको बार बार सुनिए और समझने का कोशिश कीजिए और फिर बोलने का कोशिश कीजिए. This way you will improve. That's all. Thank you.